Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today this is day 4 of me opening up Pixar boxes. Here's my zombie brains. But yeah, this is day 4 of my 8-case race. Hopefully I can find a 101 card. If I find a 101 card, oh my god, I might poop myself. But anyways, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be doing a giveaway at the end of the week. 5 lucky people that comment on my videos. That's where I'll pull the winners from. 5 lucky people will receive a pack of cards and some other cards and probably some extras. If you know me, you know I'll throw in some extras. But anyways, let's get into this. See what we got today. Hopefully we got a winner. No winner. Day 4 and no winner box. Hopefully it doesn't go all the way to the end, right? We got 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sweet. Well, hopefully we'll at least pull a gold card or maybe a red card or a black card. I don't know. Let's find something good, right? Alright. Here we go. First one, we have a sweet lenticular of Nemo. We'll do it this way. Try to get off some of the glare. It's not helping, but what can I do, right? Oh, we have May Lindley and Friends. I don't even remember seeing this card. I'm sure I have, though, but I don't remember seeing it. If you're looking to get these cards, I do have them in my website, plushgamesandmore.com. Just search Pixar 37th anniversary or Pixar Oscars, and I have packs you can buy, and I have boxes you can buy, or I just have like Toy Story sets and stuff. So don't worry, you don't have to go all the way to China to get them. Or Asia, or wherever these guys come from. We have the triplets, Harry, Hubert, and Hamish, and then they turn into a bear. They're much nicer in person, but this one you can tell this is how sweet this card is. And like I always like to show people, look at the thinness of a Pokemon card compared to them. These are upper tier cards. That's why I like them. Ooh, we have a Bob Parr, the Incredibles father. And we have a Coco Miguel. Ooh, here we go. This is a really nice card. Toy Story movie moment. If you sit on a shelf the rest of your life, you'll never find out. There you go. And we have a Buzz Lightyear. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to come on over to YouTube and comment, and so you can join the giveaway. Wally and a Merida. And there's the checklist card. Come on. Don't fight with me. I will beat you. We got the Friends again from Turning Red. And we got the Incredibles family. Really nice. We have Joy and Sadness. I don't think we've seen this one on my channel yet. And Violet Parr. We have Rex and Slinky Dog. One last card, one last pack. Hopefully we get a gold card in here. And it doesn't look like it. Joy and Bob Parr. Okay, well, that's it for the cards. Let's hopefully we get a nice slab in here. Come on. Ooh, we got an Easter egg. Easter eggs, like the last video I talked about, they pop up, so the card actually expands to like this, and they have two little like magnifying glasses to show there's like a scene inside. I don't want to open it up because it's a pain to get back in. I've tried before. So, but yeah, these are really sweet cards. But anyways, well, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure you comment and share so you can get into the giveaway by the end of the week. Take care, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.